好. Let's continue our pinyin study. In this lesson, we are going to learn 6 vowels, which are an important part of the 24 finals in the pinyin. Let's get started. Ah, like the word art. Please repeat after me. Ah, ah, ah. Next is o, like the Spanish greeting, hola. Please repeat after me. O, o, o. Next is like the word urgent. Now, please repeat after me. When is combined with other vowels, it can also be pronounced like which sounds like bed. Please repeat after me. Next is e, like the word bee. Now, please repeat after me. E, e, e. Next is u, like the word wood. Please repeat after me. U, u, u. Next is ü, like the German word Uber. Please repeat after me. Ü, ü, ü. In this lesson, we have learned 6 vowels. A, o, i, u, ü. In the next lesson, we will go through some more finals. I'll see you next time.